Peculiarities of Industrial Growth. Part 1. Indian industrial production was dominated by European managing agencies. These agencies acquired lands at cheap rates from colonial government and started tea and coffee plantations. They invested in businesses such as mining, indigo, and jute. These agencies just wanted products to export and not for selling in India. During late 19th century, Indian businessmen started establishing industries. These industries produce goods other than Manchester, cotton goods, and thus avoided competition with them. Example, they produce coarse cotton yarn which was used by handloom weavers in India or exported to China. Changing pattern of industrialization. During the beginning of 20th century, series of changes led to changing pattern of industrialization. With Swadeshi movement, people started boycotting the foreign goods. So industrial groups came together and pressurized government to increase tariff protection and give other concessions. Chinese and Japanese products started competing with Indian products in Chinese market. So export of Indian yarn to China decreased. Now Indian industries shifted their production from yarn to cloth. During First World War. The First World War made British mills busy in producing goods for the war. Thus, the export to India was declined. It became opportunity for Indian industries in home market. With the prolongation of war, the product demand increased. So, Indian goods also started exporting to Britain. The export include jute bags, cloth for army uniforms, tents, leather boots, horse and mule saddles and other cloth-related items. As a result, existing factories prospered and new factories were developed. Employment increased. People started working in shifts to meet the demands. After the war. After the war, the economy of Britain was weakened. Britain was not able to compete with US, Germany and Japan. Neither it was able to gain hold position in Indian market. Thus, production collapsed in Britain. At the same time, Indian industries prospered.